My name is Mia Larson. I am from Queensland and I'm doing a Masters of Architecture. So what I love about UTAS architecture is that the teachers really care about everyone here. You're not just a number, you're a person, and they really want you to explore what you love and who you are. They bring out the best, I think, in everyone. It's much more collaborative, and the fact that it's more focused on model making and learning by making was really great. That's something that really drew me in, and everyone is really enthusiastic here and involved. There's just a great community spirit, I find. We have a whole space where we can sit upstairs and our own desk for the whole year and go in 7 days a week. And that really helps to make it fun. Like, it's a fun degree, I think. Like, it's been really collaborative and creative and excited. Like, it's made me really excited about architecture again.
During my time at UTAS, having the studio has really helped meet people. We all sit together day in, day out. But yeah, it's a really wonderful place to meet like-minded people who are interested in design and architecture as well. We also have access to the workshop space, which is wonderful, as we can use all of their machines and things for models, and just having the opportunity to use things like the laser cutter and the CNC machine and all this great tech. And recently, like, the additions of the augmented reality technology has been really exciting and opened up a lot of doorways for streamlining production.